Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on and off airplane mode on the iPhone. I'll be showing you on iPhone 6s, but similar procedure follows for the new iPhones as well. Airplane mode shuts off many of the battery draining features so that your phone performs only the basic functions. This makes it quicker to charge, ideally if you're in need of a quick battery boost. This can also fix some of the mobile network issues you're having on your phone. So there are two ways to enable airplane mode. The first one is to go into your settings, then find airplane mode, which is the first line, and then toggle the switch to the right. To switch it off, you need to toggle it to the left. The second way of switching on airplane mode is through your control center. If you have an iPhone with a home button, then you need to swipe up to access your control center. If you have no home button on your iPhone, then swipe down from the top right edge of the screen to access your control center. Now on the control center, find the airplane symbol, tap on it to enable it, and you should see it light up. If you want to disable it, tap on it again. Now just a note, once you turn on airplane mode, your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and mobile signal will be turned off. You will not be able to make any calls or receive calls, and same for the text messages. This also turns off your mobile data, and any apps relying on mobile data will not work. While airplane mode is enabled, you can turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi will help you connect to a Wi-Fi network to access apps which use data such as Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And there you go, that is how to turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.